Well, hello there! The time has come. I'm finally making a tutorial for interactable door using interactable objects. This door will be more practical than interactable pickups, also since Northwoods made some optimization updates with pickups that they don't usually update their position that frequently, which is bad. But now we're going to make a door using interactable objects. It's pretty much simpler than interactable pickups, so let's begin. First we will start with our animation. Now we will only need two animation states. I will be making them from scratch, which is first state is going to be closed. It's going to be a little bit different. We'll extend it for a second, which is 60 frames, and we will just register their frames. Oops, I moved the wrong object. And now, at the first frames, we make them open. For about this much. That should be enough for me, and someone DM'd me. I will ignore that. I should have left my Discord on no disturbing. Anyways, that's our animation for this. It will be just closing. Now we select all the frames, copy them, make a new animation called opened, and we will just paste the frames and move them one more second and reverse them. Just make them to make it open. Now we'll go to our animator by clicking here and double clicking on our animation and disabling our loop time. Now we are done with animation. Time to make a button. I will be adding our interactable objects to an empty object to make it more practical, I could say. We'll add our cube, that will be our button. It will be this door frame. That's good enough. Alright, we will call our first interactable object closed, because our first state is closed. We're going to activate it and select our key E. Oh, that's hash. I meant to select E. There we go. That's a max range 4, and it will play an animation and call Groovy noise. For animation module, we will add our animation placeholder, and it will call for animation opened to open the door. Don't forget to force execute it. And it will call Groovy noise. Let's name it switch 1, because Groovy noise is like a switch that just turns on and off scripts. Now let's just sorry for my parrot. And now just let's copy the script and paste as new. Now the script we will name opened. We will change the animation name to closed, and it will call Groovy noise switch 2. That's pretty much. It should be on, by the way. Don't turn it off. Now we shall create our Groovy noises. Okay, first we'll create first Groovy noise and call it switch 1. That's the Groovy noise that's called by the closed script. You don't have to activate it. The activation is just telling the Groovy noise to do that action from the beginning. We don't need that at the moment. First execute, and first switch will disable the closed script and enable opened. That's pretty much it for the first script. Oh, I almost forgot. Set a delay for players not to abuse buttons. It will look badly. And we will set action delay to 1. Now we'll just copy the Groovy noise and paste it. And this will be named switch 2. We'll just flip the scripts. It will disable opened and enable closed. Also, we'll need a third one that will put everything in its place. We'll call it idle, or you can call it not assigned. anything you like. I usually call not assign if it's not going to be called by anything. It's going to be activated from the beginning, and it should maybe wait like half a second for the things to register and not cause any bugs, and it will disable opened and enable closed, because we have both scripts enabled at the same time. And that's pretty much it. That's our whole door, and we're ready to compile it. Don't forget to add empty objects to it for it to compile correctly. That's a custom script I made for easier usage. Well, let's just compile it. Don't forget to compile interactable objects and the groovy noises. And that's it, time to transfer to a server. Yeah, on the server, time to test our door schematic. And we'll just wait a bit second and we can open it and close it. Here we go. Here's a fully functioning door. Sometimes it takes more than a second to react for some reason. Generally, I have no idea why it's happening, but it works. Maybe the action delay is too much. You can experiment it with yourself and create gates, anything you like. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope you'll create something breathtaking. See you in next tutorials if I'll be making any. Goodbye!